Tired of getting lost in the sprawling worlds of Minecraft? Let's fix that with a minimap. First, you'll need to download a Minimap Mod. A fantastic and widely used option is Journey Map, but Zero's Minimap is another excellent choice. Head over to their respective download pages. I'll leave links in the description below and find the version that matches your Minecraft version. Make sure you're downloading from a reputable source to avoid any issues. Next, we need to set up a new Minecraft profile to run our mod. Open your Minecraft launcher and click on Installations at the top, then click New Installation on the right. You'll want to name this profile something descriptive, like Minecraft with Minimap. Now, this is crucial. We need to tell Minecraft where to find our mod. Go to the More Options section. You'll see a folder icon next to Game Directory. Click on this icon to open the Minecraft game folder. Inside your Minecraft folder, look for a folder named Mods. If you don't see one, don't worry. Simply right-click in the folder, select New and then Folder, and name it Mods. Now, drag and drop the Minimap mod file you downloaded earlier into this Mods folder. With your mod safely in the Mods folder, go back to the Minecraft launcher. Make sure your newly created Minecraft with Minimap profile is selected, and then hit the big play button. Minecraft will load up with your mod installed. And there you have it. As soon as your game loads, you should see your new minimap appear in the corner of your screen. You can now explore your Minecraft world with unprecedented ease, keeping track of your path and avoiding those pesky directional blunders. Happy adventuring!